Hi Tenthis, welcome to your Social Science Guide channel. Today I will complete the last soil of this chapter, Resource and Development, which is forest soil. I hope my earlier explanations of different types of soils are clear to you. So today I will discuss the last type of the soil, which is forest soil. We will follow the same format, that is, first is the formation, the second is the feature, and the third is the area. The crops are not available in the forest soil. There is no crop in the forest soil. So let's discuss first the formation of the forest soil. There is a very simple term, there is a very simple point in the formation of the soil is that ki its texture varies according to the mountain environment. So the forest soil's texture, the type of the forest soil varies according to the mountain environment. What is texture? The feel of something. कि अगर आप उस सॉइल को छुओगे वो लोमी है, सिल्टी है, कोर्स ग्रेन्ड है या कैसी सॉइल है, द टेक्सचर ऑफ द सॉइल वेरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द माउंटेन एनवायरनमेंट. अब जो भी मैंने वर्ड बोले जैसे लोमी, सिल्टी, कोर्स ग्रेन, ये सारी चीज़ें आएंगी इसके फीचर्स में और इसके मीनिंग्स भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी इसके फीचर्स में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मेशन. सो द फॉरेस्ट सॉइल की क्वालिटी क्या है, फॉरेस्ट सॉइल की वो डिपेंडेंट करती है माउंटेन एनवायरनमेंट में. एंड द वर्ड टेक्सचर मीन फील ऑफ समथिंग. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट सॉइल. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फीचर्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट सॉइल. This is very easy concept, but there are some terms in this type of the soil which you need to understand while you will write this soil in the paper. The next is the feature. There are two features of the forest soil. The first feature of the forest soil says कि it is loamy and silty. Loamy and silty in the valley side and coarse grain in the upper slopes. First feature is this. The second feature is that कि in snow covered areas it is prone to denudation and it is acidic in nature with no humus. So these are the two features of the forest soil. In the first feature you will find very difficult words. That is, first difficult word is the loamy, the second difficult word is silty, the third difficult word is the valley side, then it is the coarse grain, and the last is the upper slopes. So loamy and silty in the valley side. What is loamy? That it is clay soil with humus content. What is silty? Silty is the loose soil. What is valley? Valley is formed by the flowing rivers. Then coarse grain. Coarse grain is the type of the soil or is the texture of the soil which is nuts in nature. कि जैसे आप छूते हो तो आपको रूखा रूखा लगता है. And in the upper slopes mean gentle slope. Now उसी के contrary अब next feature क्या है कि in the snow covered area it is prone to denudation. What is denudation? It is the soil erosion. When the soil gets eroded by the action of the water, wind, glacier or the ice, so it is the soil which is most prone to the soil erosion and it is acidic in nature with no humus. अब एक फीचर में हम कह रहे हैं कि ह्यूमस है और दूसरे फीचर में कह रहे हैं हम ह्यूमस नहीं है. ड्यू टू इट्स फॉर्मेशन कि इट वेरीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द माउंटेन एनवायरनमेंट. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर है, क्योंकि वैलीज जो है वो क्रिएटेड बाय द रिवर फ्लोज होती हैं. सो लोमी है तो लोमी का मतलब क्लेई और ह्यूमस है. सिल्टी मीन्स की लूज सॉइल है. सो जहाँ पर भी वाटर कंटेंट होगा वहां पर ह्यूमस होगा ही. एंड कोर्स ग्रेन कौन से, अपर स्लोप में. अपर स्लोप में पानी नहीं होता, इट इज अ जेंटल स्लोप, सो इट इज कोर्स इन नेचर. सेकेंडली स्नो में सब कुछ ड्राई होता है. सो ड्राई हुआ तो वाटर नहीं है, so इसका मतलब देयर इज नो ह्यूमस कंटेंट, देयर इज एसिड इन दिस टाइप ऑफ द सॉइल एंड इट इज मोर प्रोन टू द soil erosion. The last thing which we have to understand in the forest soil is its areas. Now the main area of the forest soil is Himalayas, but in Himalayas also there are also variations in the areas, but the main area of the forest soil is Himalaya. The first area is the hilly and mountain areas with sufficient rain forests. जहाँ पर भी रेन फॉरेस्ट होंगे वहां पे आपको फॉरेस्ट सॉइल मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिमालयस. तो जहाँ पर भी ये होगी रेन फॉरेस्ट वहां पर आपको फॉरेस्ट सॉइल जरूर मिलेगी. फॉरेस्ट सॉइल्स और रेन फॉरेस्ट क्या होते हैं? रेन फॉरेस्ट आर द फॉरेस्ट वेयर देयर इज हेवी एंड कॉन्टिन्यूअस रेन थ्रू आउट द ईयर. द सेकेंड इज दैट कि इट इज फाउंड इन द लोअर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वैलीज, particularly in river terraces. What are river terraces? River terraces are the leftover water of the rivers, as when they form the valleys some water is left out on that area and that water is known as river terraces. So it is found in the river terraces and where the alluvial fans are fertile. What are alluvial fans? Alluvial fans are formed by the following water when it comes in contact with the mountain. So alluvial fans are those and these are fertile. और वो fertile हो nature में तो वहाँ पर forest soil जरूर है. So these are the two areas of the forest soil. The first is hilly and mountain areas with sufficient rainforest, for example Himalayas. The second is that lower parts of the valley, particularly river terraces and alluvial fans are fertile. Now we are moving to the word meanings for the forest soil. Like there are so many, so you can copy from my video ki what term means what. So let's discuss. Textures meaning I have discussed earlier, so I am starting with the features. So in the features we first came around the word loamy. What is loamy? Loamy is clay soil with humus. Okay. The second word which we came across is the silty. Silty is loose soil. The third difficult word which we came in the feature is the valley. What is valley? Formed by the rivers. Okay, so these are the difficult words. You can copy these difficult words. The next difficult word which we came across is the coarse grain. Now what is coarse grain? Coarse grain is the grainy texture. जब आपको वो छूने में दानेदार लगे, grainy texture. The next is the upper slopes. Upper slopes I have discussed in my earlier videos also, but now I am telling again. Upper slopes are the gentle slopes. Okay. The next difficult word which we came across is that in the snow covered areas it is prone to denudation. Denudation. Now what is denudation? What is denudation? Denudation is the wearing away of the Earth's surface due to the action of water, wind, ice and glacier. So you can write that it is the soil erosion. So the forest soil is more prone to the soil erosion. So these are the difficult words. Now the next difficult words, the next group of difficult words which we came across in the forest soil is in the areas. Now in the areas there are two difficult words. The first difficult word was the river terraces. It is found in the lower parts of the valleys where there are river terraces. River terraces are the parts of the river. When the river forms the river valleys or valleys, some water is left and that left water is called the river terraces. Next difficult word and the last difficult word is the alluvial fans. Alluvial fans are formed when the flowing water interacts with mountains. So I hope the features, the formation and the areas of the forest soil are clear to you. Please do like, subscribe and comment on my channel and share it also so that I can give you more knowledgeable videos. In the next video, I will start the topic soil erosion, which is the last topic for this chapter. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more knowledgeable video. Thank you for watching.